A factory reflects the leader's mind. Walk into any factory, within 10 minutes, you will be able to understand the leadership behind that particular factory, the persons who are driving the factory. We can understand their styles of working. Is it calm or is it chaotic? Is it disciplined or is it reactive? Right? Because here is the truth, a factory floor represents the style of leadership. The factory reflects the leader's mind. That's what we are going to learn in this particular video. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing consultant, and we help manufacturing companies improve their productivity and profitability through lean manufacturing, combining with our unique approach of gamification and habit formation methods. And in this particular video, we are going to discuss a topic which is very favorite to me, that is, the factory reflects the leader's mind. Let us take an example of a factory. You are entering a factory and you are seeing a lot of materials lying here and there. There is no specific order or arrangement of materials. The daily targets keeps changing. The supervisors or the managers are always running around. Generally, meetings take a lot of time. Right? People don't follow punctuality. The machines are running. People are always busy. But you can see some confusions, some negative, some tension in the air. Right? Let us ask this particular question: is it a leadership problem or is it a process issue? Right? Is it a execution issue or is it a thinking issue? Right? When the leadership keeps changing the day-to-day priorities, the system loses the stability. Right? When the leaders avoid hard questions, the waste will accumulate in the process, and over a period of time, it builds a lot of inefficiencies. So confusions at the top will always create panic in the shop floor. Consider another factory where when you are walking in the factory, you are able to see a clear, orderly way of storage of materials. Things are happening in a smooth way, right? There's not a lot of WAP. Things are flowing. You are able to see the work or the transformation happening in the product. The supervisors or the executives are working in a calm manner. Right? The visual boards are very clear. It shows the key performance indicators. There is a stable schedule, right? And then the processes are well defined. People are following the standards. So again, this reflects a completely a different mindset, different factory from the first case, right? The supervisors are not shouting at the people. The operators are not frustrated. So there is an orderliness in this second factory. So this reflects the leader's mind. Right? Generally, when we see a factory floor, it's very easy for us to understand what kind of the leader is driving this factory. And most of the times we all think that lean or any process improvement can immediately bring a lot of change in the system, but it takes a lot of effort, or it takes a long time for the leaders to change, and then that transformation only can bring a lot of change in the unit. Right? So lean is not just about implementing some tool in the factory. It is the right mindset, not only of the employees but also from the top management. So if the leader tolerates extra approvals, process waste, excess manpower, overtime, Sunday work, inconsistent standards, all those things will result in more and more excess approvals, more and more waste in the system. Right? It's a vicious cycle. So once it gets created, people get sucked into that, and that becomes a routine for this particular factory, and that becomes a culture for the organization. So the factory will mirror the leader's style of working. So that's why when we go to any factory to do some implementation, we bring a change management as a very key element in our improvement activity. You cannot demand stability while thinking on chaos. Right? When people are panicked, you cannot create stability. So you cannot build a flow with a cluttered mind. So this is what is very essential for leaders who are running the manufacturing factory. There are 5 major benefits when leaders bring in that stability and orderliness. Right? The number one is reducing the waste. When I say waste, here I mean the lean waste, process waste. Yeah. So the waste will get reduced, and automatically the productivity will improve. The decisions will become faster. People don't wait for or don't blame others. The decisions will become faster. The teams will feel safer. Right? It creates an environment where the teams can share their opinions freely. So that is very important. And then the improvement activities will accelerate when there is a space where leaders are giving space for people to experiment. The improvement accelerates. And finally, the day-to-day firefighting will decline. So these are all the top 5 reasons if the factory leader is able to bring some kind of orderliness or stability to the overall operations. So that's why we say, right, the factory reflects a leader's mind. So thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in learning lean or shop floor improvement, our free course can help you. I've given the link in the description. There are more than 50 companies who have involved their junior level employees and middle level employees to take this course, and this serves as a platform to create the lean improvements in their company. So this can be a good starting point for your company also. Please check it out in the description. So thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.